Back here, if you watched yesterday's video, all right, I put this yellow line here. Okay, this was the measured move. Let's go into 12 hours so you can see it a little bit better. This was the measured move for the wedge. Look how we came up and nailed it perfectly. We hit that price target right on the dot. Boom. There you go. So you can see how these work. They work perfectly. Okay, the measurements, most of the time you're going to get the measured move, and that's what happened here. Okay, this thing went up, hit the measured move of the wedge, and that's where we got to. Okay, so we're going to dig into some RSIs here in a second. I want to show you the crypto bubbles here. A little bit of red out there today. Nothing abnormal. You cannot go straight up. Okay, you have to build support and resistance areas as you go up, and that's just how it goes. Anything I learned a long time ago is saying things that go straight up come straight down. All right, so you have to build support levels, and when you have pullbacks and go sideways, you're building support levels. Excuse me. GFAL. Let's look here. We're down 7 spots to number 406. $42.5 million market cap. I love that. That is the ones I look for. Okay, if I'm looking for cryptos to invest in, to get the next 100x, the next 500x, whatever it be, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for small market caps and coins that have a small token supply. Let's see what the token supply is. We looked at it yesterday, but I cannot remember right offhand. All right, so let's pull it up here on CoinMarketCap and take a look here. Okay, 10 billion. Okay, the only thing I don't like is the circulating supply. 1.1 billion. There's 10 billion total tokens. 1.1 billion. So you have about 10% in circulation. 10, 11, 12%. Something like that in circulation. So inflation. Okay, the more tokens that get released into the market, the more the price is going to get dragged down. Now, what is the dates for these releases? Do they have to hold for a year or 2 years? Look into that. Okay, that's very important. Look into the release dates of these tokens. All right, they might release a billion a year, a billion every 6 months. I have no idea how they're doing it, so that's something you're definitely going to want to look into. Volume is up 70% over the last 24 hours. That's good to see. Volume is up 1.7 million. All right, we're at a $42.5 million market cap, so not too shabby there. Okay. Let's go over here. We looked at the crypto bubbles. Let's go back to this chart here and take a look at a few things. And first, I want to show you guys, I have a level 3 trading lessons that you can get to learn how to do all this stuff yourself. There's wedges, everything. Okay, these are the videos you get right here. Okay, learning to trade video, the stochastic RSI, how to draw trend lines, how to use the Fibonacci retracement, how to use TradingView. Do not buy big green candles. Wait for a certain time to buy them, and I show you the time to get in. Bullish and bearish divergence. Bullish and bearish chart patterns, the different chart patterns. There's numerous chart patterns out there, falling wedges, rising wedges, all kinds of stuff out there, and it tells you if they're bullish or bearish. There's a chart right here. How to short the market. If you're on MEXC and you like the long and short, that teaches you how to do that. Setting your trading view up like mine. You watch my videos. You watch how I do things, so this one goes through and shows you. Candlestick patterns, dojis, engulfing candles, all kinds of stuff like that. It teaches you candlestick charts, gives you an idea if the market is bottoming out or ready to take off. A 7-step trading plan. This goes through right from buying a token to watching it rise, to selling it, everything. The meaning of a golden cross and a death cross. Okay, Them are your 50-day and 200-day moving averages, how to use them. Part 2, how to find the next 1000x, and part 1 on how to find the next 1000x. That breaks down, that's almost an hour together right here. Breaks down how to search for a coin, how to find a coin, how to do your due diligence on the coin, everything. Breaks down everything about it. And here's one down here for MEXC for leverage trading instructions, how to do that. And I just put another one out today about the Fibonacci retracement, part 2. How to use it. It'll teach you how to get price targets, how to look for pullbacks, how to know when a pullback is over, what areas to watch for with the Fibonacci, all kinds of stuff like that. So these are all the videos you get, guys, for $14.99. Right, so level 3 membership. You will learn all you need to learn to be successful in the market. Okay, I have had nothing but great feedback from people that have gotten it, and very happy. I'm very happy with the videos. Okay, I put one out today. I'm going to try to get another one out today. That'll make 17 videos, over 6 hours worth of content. So if you want to learn how to do this stuff, there you go. $14.99. All right, I just got a message from a guy today saying how much he's learned. He's trading and he's making money from what he's learned from these videos. So I love hearing stuff like that. It makes it worth it. People out there are selling this stuff for hundreds of dollars. Okay, $14.99. It's absolutely worth it. If you're not happy with it, I'll give you your money back. That's how positive I am. You'll get your $14.99 out of it. I guarantee it. So if you're interested, check it out, guys. I'm just every little bit helps the channel. I'm not very big, so even look into a 99-cent membership. That helps tremendously. Any bit. Like and subscribe helps. So if you haven't, please hit the like button. I would appreciate that. So let's get back to the video. I don't mean to push that stuff, guys. I just trying to make it in this YouTube world, okay? And I think that's a very good price for the quality of videos you get. I put a lot of time into those things, so they're definitely worth that. All right, the 12-hour chart, the RSI. RSI is still heading up on the 12-hour. Beautiful. That's great to see, okay? Now, if we look down at the bottom here, let's get our other one, pull it up here. There we go. We are getting, see if there's any bearish divergence here. Looks like a higher high there, so I think we're okay. All right, on the daily, we're at a 94 and a 93. We're still bullish. On the weekly, still bullish, 77 and a 61, still heading up. No bearish divergence down here, looking fantastic. The 8-hour, still heading up and bullish. Now, we do have, I see a little bearish divergence here in the 8-hour. All right, let's pull this up. Okay, this is the 8-hour RSI. You can probably see it right away if if you've been watching this channel for a long time. There you go. You got lower highs on there. And if we go back to price action, let's lower this down. Price action, you have higher highs coming in there. Okay, right there. If you go from here to here, that's higher. There to there is lower. So you do have some bearish divergence on the 8-hour. Can it get rid of that? Absolutely. If this thing heads up higher and ends up in the 90s, it'll take out that bearish divergence. The 4-hour. All right, the 4-hour. Yeah, you do have a higher high over here and lower highs over here. So technically, I would consider that a little bit of bearish divergence on the 4-hour. The 4-hour right now is retracing. Okay, it's correcting. Now, since we hit that first target up there at 0.038, all right, that's where we got rejected, right up here the first time, right here. All right, we're gonna have to keep a very close eye on that area. That's a key area to break. All right, we have a target up here, 0.0385 up here at this blue line. So we'll see if we can get through that. Now, like I said, we have the weekly heading up. We have the daily still bullish and it heading up, which is great. And we have the 12 hours. So we have all the higher time frames still heading up, still green candles, and trying to look for another push up here. Okay, we're getting a little bit high on these RSIs. This one is at 82. The daily, where's the daily at? It is at a 75, so it's okay. And the weekly is at about a 75, so it's okay. This thing could definitely push higher, guys. No question about it. All right, now is it gonna? We're just gonna have to wait and see here. Let's get a look here. All right, let's put a fib on here. All right, that's on the weekly. Let's go back to the daily. Squeeze this together here, okay? Now, if we ended up, we could put a Fibonacci down here. That's absolutely fine. We would have to pull it down a little bit more here. Right about there, okay? We would be up through the 1618 right now, okay? That's going off this down here, all right? Our next price target would be up at 0.045. That's going off this area here. We were going off of up here. Let me show you. But you can do it on any time frame. You can use the fib wherever you want to use it. Okay, if you want to use it, whatever move you want to use it. You just want to go from the swing high to the swing low. Just like we used it right in here on this move in here. Right there. Okay, our main concern was if it got through the 786, it was going higher. And that's exactly what happened. Okay, so we'll see what happens here, guys. All things are still pointing upward, okay? Don't be surprised if we get a small pullback, but it looks like this thing is wanting to go higher. All right, if we can break through the 0.0380, that would be a huge move, okay? If we do something like this, if this breaks through, expect a pullback down to here for support. Okay, that would end up being a new support area and then another push up, all right? But that's the main area here to break. We have to break that area, so I'll be keeping an eye on that. Thank you very, very much, guys. Have a great day. Please hit the thumbs up and the like. I would appreciate that more than, have a great night, everybody.